children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 8. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 8. Already it's finished. This page is finished now. Now it's page number 9, second bit. Page number 9, second bit. Read the following passage and underline the WH, PH and TH words in it. What we had to do? We had to underline the PH words and WH words and TH words. It was looking at photo. Photo. Underline photo. PHO, TO. P is sounded word. Photo underline cheyandi. Photo. Which also underline. Underline cheyandi. Which was taken by our family photographer. Photographer also underline. Photographer. Underline photographer. Underline photographer. Photographer some days back. మేము ఏం చేసాము? మేము మా ఫ్యామిలీ ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్తో ఫోటో తీయించుకున్నాం. మా ఫ్యామిలీ ఫోటో. The whale. Whale అమ్మా. WHALE. Underline whale. The whale or a dolphin. Dolphin also underline. Dolphin. Whatever. Underline whatever. Whatever. Underline whatever. Sorry, Nana. The whale in the background has given it an adventure look. Wait a minute. I don't know if it's a whale or dolphin. Whatever. The people in the photograph. Again, underline photograph. The people in the photograph. Underline photograph. Are more important. There. Underline there. There were my brother. Underline my brother. Underline. Who are there in the photograph? My brother. Father. Underline father. It is sounded banana. And his nephew. Nephew also. P is sounded word. Nephew also underline. NEPHEU. Nephew. And photo. Photo also underline. In the photo, my father. Father underline. Father. My father was speaking on the phone. The underline. And phone. PHONE. Phone underline. Speaking on the phone while. 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 While my brother. While my brother. Brother underline. BROTH here. Brother underline. While my brother was going whistle. Underline whistle. Underline whistle. The photo also. Photo. Again photo underline. The photo also has broken wheel. Wheel underline. Broken wheel in the far right corner. Maybe someone's wheelchair. Wheelchair underline. Wheelchair. Underline wheelchair. Underline wheelchair. Someone's wheelchair must have broken down his plate. Broken down his place. All in all, my father. My father underline. My father said that it was a beautiful day and hence the beautiful photo. Photo underline. There is a photograph. Here is a photograph. We have taken a photo which is taken by our family photograph. మా ఫ్యామిలీ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్లో ఒక ఫోటో తీశాడు. ఆ ఫోటోలో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏం సెట్ చేశాడు తెలుసా? వేల్ సెట్ చేశాడు. ఐ డోంట్ నో దట్ ఈస్ ఎ వేల్ ఆర్ డాల్ఫిన్. అది నాకు వేలో తెలియదు, డాల్ఫిన్ తెలియదు. అలాంటి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సెట్ చేశాడు. అంటే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఒక వేల్ వచ్చేటట్టుగా సెట్ చేశాడు. ఓకే, ఐ లైక్ దిట్ ఫోటో. నాకు ఆ ఫోటో అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఎందుకు? ఆల్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఆల్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద ఫోటో. ఓకే, వైల్ మై ఫాదర్ ఈస్ టాకింగ్ ఇన్ ద మొబైల్. ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ ఇస్ టేకెన్. ఆ ఫోటోలో ఎలా ఉన్నారు తెలుసా? ఫోటోలో మా డాడీ ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నట్టుగా, మా తమ్ముడు విజిలేస్తున్నట్టుగా. ఓకే, అందులో ఇంకా వీల్ చైర్ కూడా ఉంది. అంటే somebody of my family members has broken wheel. Like that. The photograph is like that. My father said that it is the beautiful photo. Okay, and that's only you have to underline the PH, WH, TH and PH, WH sounded words. Okay, now take your activity book. Take your activity book. Okay, now I'm a student Reena and popcorn. Find the following words related to the lesson in the puzzle. Student, chased, popped, quietly, brave, popcorn, grape, classroom. These words are hidden in the puzzle. Okay? In this puzzle, these words are there. Find out them and circle the words. Okay? Here classroom. Here classroom is given. Student is there. Circle that. Let's circle change. Find out just circle change. Okay? Will you do? చేయడం మీరే చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, rewrite the sentences using the correct pronoun. Ram is a good boy. Ram spells a large. కరెక్ట్ ప్రొనౌన్స్. అమ్మా మనం ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి. ప్రొనౌన్స్ అంటే హీ, షీ, ఇట్, దే, యూ, అవి ప్రొనౌన్స్. ఇప్పుడు మేల్స్కి అంటే బాయ్స్కి హీ అని యూజ్ చేయాలి. బాయ్స్కి ఏం పెట్టాలి? హీ. రామ్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాయ్. నో, రామ్ ఈజ్ ఏ బాయ్. విచ్ ప్రొనౌన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్? హీ. రాసుకోండి. హీ. Ram is a boy. Ram is a good boy. Read the sentences using the correct pronoun. Here and Ram is looking at it. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. He smiles. Ram పెట్టండి. ఇక్కడ రామ్ పెట్టండి. Keep Ram only. Ram is a good boy. He smiles a lot. He smiles a lot. Next, Sanjana is playing chess. Sanjana is playing chess. Sanjana is playing chess. Amma Sanjana girl kadra. Sanjana is a girl, no? We have to take the helping pronoun of she. Sanjana is a girl. Girls ki she and petta. We have to use the pronoun of she. She is good at it. She is good at it. And she and Pittano, Sanjana is a girl. So I kept she. Here he I keep Ram is a boy. So he and Pittano. Okay? Next. Bunny is the name of Sita's pet. Bunny is the name of Sita's pet. Bunny is the name of Sita's pet. Bunny eats lot of carrots. Amma, Bunny is a pet name, no? We don't know he or she. Bunny he na she na telledu kabatti em pettale it. It eats lot of carrots. It eats lot of carrots. Right on. It eats lot of carrots. Here, why I keep it? We don't know the gender. Bunny. Bunny, మనకు male or female తెలియదు కదా, అప్పుడు మనం it use చేయాలి. We have to use it. Okay? Come with your answers. Come it soon. Next,
first answer.
next fourth one. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. Tom and Jerry fight with each other. But Tom and Jerry both are there, no? Two are there. Two are there, no? Plural kada? They use cheyali. Tom is a cat. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. Jerry is a mouse. Full stop. Tom and Jerry press repetale. There. This is the pronoun we have to use. They fight with each other. They fight with each other. Next. Balu and I are running fast. Balu and I. You are there. నువ్వు అనుకో మన తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం మేము అంటాం, ఇంగ్లీష్లో వి అనాలి. ఓకే, బాలు అండ్ ఐ are running fast. Are running fast. we want to win the race. We want to win the race. We want to win the race. Okay, complete. Complete your answers. We want to win the race. We want to win the race. Complete your answers. Next, take next page. Take next page. Fill up the blanks and then match the words to its picture. Amma, fill up the blanks. Dash dash ISTLE. What is that? Dash dash IP. Dash dash ALE. GRA dash dash. WH dash dash EAT. Dash dash OTO. Dash dash ONE. First one. What is this? It is a graph. What is the graph spelling here? GRA, Nana. GRA. PH, graph. Graph. GRA, PH, graph. Next, what is this? This is wheat. What is spelling of wheat here? WHEAT, wheat. WHEAT, wheat. Next, what is this? Whistle. WHISTLE, whistle. Next, what is this? This is whale. WHALE, whale. WH. Next, what is this? Phone. PHONE, phone. PHONE, phone. What is this? What is this? Photo. PHOTO, photo. Next, what is this? Wipe, which is used for wiping, is called a wipe. WHIP. Okay? Complete your answers. Complete your answers. Next, I'm rubbing this one also. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Replace the underlined word with a pronoun. Khan. Khan. Later, Khan loves to dance. Khan is a boy, no? So we have to use the pronoun of he. He loves to dance. He loves to dance. And second one, Sona has a nice dress. Sona is a girl now. We have to use she. She has a dress. She has a nice dress. The table is made of wood. Table is not having any gender, no? మనకి జెండర్ ఉండదు కదా, అప్పుడు మనం ఇట్ అని యూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ వుడ్. It is made of wood. Mala and Bala are sitting on the bench. Mala and Leela. Mala and Bala both are there now. We have to use the pronoun of they. They are sitting. They are sitting on a bench. They are sitting on a bench. My friend I play cricket daily. You are there, no? అప్పుడు బి అనాలి. నువ్వు ఉంటే బి అనాలి. We play cricket. We play cricket daily. We play cricket daily. Okay? This class is completed, Nana. Bye.